Prognostic significance of lymph node metastasis and lymphadenectomy in early stage ovarian carcinosarcoma. Ovarian carcinosarcoma is a rare but aggressive malignancy. Compared to EOC women, OCS women present an older age of onset, higher fecal stage, and worse prognosis. Previous studies showed a lower lymph node metastasis rate was observed in women with OCI than women with high-grade serous ovarian cancer. Today, the role that lymph node dissection plays on the management of early OCIs is unclear due to its rarity. Our purpose is to explore the prognostic effects of lymphatic metastasis and resection on early OCIs based on a large sample from SEER. Our subjects were women diagnosed with OCIs whose primary tumor was confined to ovaries or pelvic cavity. A total of 363 patients met the inclusion criteria. In Table 1, the lymph node metastasis rate of OCIs was 9.6% in T1 and 16.3% in T2. In Table 2, multivariate analysis shows lymph node dissection and T-stage were the independent prognostic factors in patients with OCIs. In Figure 2, subgroup analysis by T-stage didn't reveal lymphadenectomy was associated with CSS and OS in T1. In T2, patients with lymphadenectomy had a better survival than patients without lymphadenectomy. Multivariate analysis was further made in lymphadenectomy group. We found that lymph node metastasis and T2 had poor CSS and OS. In T1, we didn't find that lymph node metastasis was associated with CSS and OS. In T2, women with positive lymph node had worse survival than women with negative lymph node. Based on our study, we recommended that regional lymphadenectomy should be performed in patients with T2. Lymph node dissection and lymph node metastasis were not significantly associated with prognosis in T1, while lymph node metastasis had a worse survival trend.